anti-reverse board that can pretend the worker from part of the hand. If you put the board into the machine, this board will help you to keep the board reverse from the machine. So you will you can see the cover here. There were four holes to hang on the machine, and you can take it off easily. Usually when we're working, the cover is on the machine and we don't take it off, but we are just showing you the inner of the machine. Here is the fitting wheels. We also use cast iron, and here we have many sorry, because my earphone cannot connect two phones, so I'll put it closely, okay? Can you hear me now? Okay, you can see closely the saw blade here. This is the saw blade, and in our factory we only test the machine, so we use 3 saw blades in the machine. But if you work in your factory, the maximum pieces of saw blade you can put in here is 10 pieces. This machine maximum can process 200 millimeter width, and for the height of this machine can maximum process 80 millimeter. The maximum height of this machine can process 80 millimeter, and for the maximum width of the machine can process is 200 millimeter. Also, if you have other requirement of processing range, you can tell us. We also have other models to meet your requirement. If you want to replace the saw blade, you can open the cover here. Can you see it? Yes. Here, you down. If you want to replace the saw blade, we use the button on the control panel, down the saw blade and the shaft, spindle shaft, and then we can unlock this spindle, and then take off all the sleeves and the saw blade. We also have some solid grounding machine. When we're working, we should keep the cover, all these two cover on the machine, okay? And we also have two dust outlets to keep the environmental clear. Okay, one is here and one is down the machine. Here. These two dust outlet is 120. Oh no, sorry. The diameter of this machine is the diameter of the dust outlet is 100 millimeter. Here there's a wheel. This wheel can control this part up and down. That means the feeding wheel. This wheel is to control the feeding wheels up and down. For this machine, our motor power. This motor power is 11 kilowatt. You can see the motor is very big. Oh yes, B2B platform. We have Alibaba. Do you know Alibaba? Our company name is Pinliang. You can search our name in Alibaba. Then you can find me. We also sell other solid wood machinery. You can see here. Cut-off saw, 4-side planer, another double-side planer. Hi. Oh, sorry. If you want to buy some panel machine, we also have edge bending machine there. Can you see? Over there. Any process woodworking, you can ask me. Okay. Here we keep introduce this machine right now. Our press is controlled by the air, and what we use for the air press pipe is 0.8 millimeter here. 0.8 millimeter. Okay, you can connect our seller requirement. Send an inquiry. Our seller can give you some catalog. In YouTube, we cannot connect you directly, so you can connect me in the Alibaba. Let's check some back of this machine. It's not very good to see. for this machine, our regular voltage is 380 volts, 50 hertz, and 3 phases. If you need to change the voltage, you can also connect our seller. Okay. Do you have any question about multi-root saw? Okay, if you don't have any other question about multi-root saw, I will introduce you the folding table saw. This folding table saw is our new machine in live show. I'll show you some detail. For this machine, I don't really know how exactly it works, but I will show you next live show after I get more knowledge for this about this machine. But you can see. You can cut 0 to 45 degree by this machine. And you can see here, this one is a cover to keep you safe, okay? And down the machine, we have a dust bag. We have a fan motor. We have a fan motor to keep all the working environment clear. It's locked now. So you can see you can unlock here to get more wider, to get more longer. You can cut more longer wood. And you can see here, the control panel is very easy. Just open and the saw, big saw control, and the small saw control, and the fan motor control. You only use this to connect the power. You don't need to connect some 3 wires, no need. You just connect this, it's okay. And we also have a very tiny size so that you can move the saw to anywhere you want to put. It's very suitable for some you need to change any place to work. If you have many places, you need to move the saw to any places. If you need to move the saw to any place, you can fold the machine. If you need to know more detail, I can send you some video to you. Here, For this machine, this is the saw blade grinding machine. This is the saw blade grinding machine. You can grind the saw blade if you use multi-root saw or you use single root saw. And it's also very easy to use. This one is for round saw blade. Behind this one, we can see here is the bend saw blade grinding machine. For this machine, you can change any. Here, you can take it off. This wheel can take it off or high to more high, or you shorten it. And it's also very easy to connect. You use here. It's very easy to connect and very easy to use, so that you will not buy more bent saw blade. You can keep your money, save your money. Behind this machine, we also have CNC cut-off saw. This is the CNC cut-off saw. Here is the here's the control panel. For this machine, the maximum processing width is 200 millimeter. And for the height of the processing maximum can be 100 millimeter. And this machine is controlled by PLC. It can automatically cut 10 different sizes. Okay? And we also can see here. This is automatic feeding pen. He can push the wood into the machine and automatically saw controlled by PLC. Here is the sideboard to keep the wood. Link here, link the right sideboard. Then you can cut it precisely. And you can also see here we have two set of side press. This side press can keep the board in the side or side. So we keep it safely, precisely. It's mainly used for rapid cutting of various boards, or round logs, or square work. You can see here we use air pressure to press the machine, to press the wood. This model is MJ601. The PLC automatically calculates the size and cut the wood. The saw blade automatically extends out to cut the wood and then automatically retracts. The push plate returns and automatically extends out to cut the wood and then automatically retracts. The feeding is servo-driven, and we use gear rack for feeding. You can see back of the machine. We use gear rack for feeding, which is more stable and efficient. Hi, welcome to our live show. Now we are showing you MJ601 CNC cutout saw. I send you some catalog. And we can see here, you can cut many different wood. Like here is the splitting board, solid wood, MDF board. The normal packaging of this machine is formed and this is the normal packaging. We can use this. And if you ship by LCL, you need to use wooden package. The wooden package needs extra money. If you ship by 20 GB, that means ship by container, you can use only normal packaging. Wood printing machine. You can ask our seller to send you some catalog. Have you connect our sellers? this tool is photoelectric induction limiter to ensure accurate positioning and safe operation. It can scan the wood if he was here. He can scan the wood if the wood is here, then it can start to grab the wood. And we also use double clipping to keep the plate side away when sawing to prevent the wood from running off during feeding. This tool feeding. And we also have auxiliary buffle. When feeding, it can keep the wood close to the board to prevent the wood from shifting and running off during feeding. The guide wheel we use here. The guide wheel we use is adopt high precision linear square reel for large contact area. The rack adopt helical teeth, tight bite, and small running arrow. We use Sinter PLC. And Tangent, Delta, Honeywell, CHNT electrical components to ensure the service life of the machine. The main motor we adopt 7.5 kilowatts pure copper core motor, which has stable operation, high power, and long service life. The saw blade we use is high quality alloy saw blade, which has smooth sawing, few burrs, and high verticality. And also we use a cover for this machine to keep your workers safe. And also we have this air gun to keep the workplace clear. Remember, after we work and before we work, we should clean all the sawdust out so that we can keep the saw blade not harmed and it can serve longer life. If you have any question about this machine, you can contact me in the live show, or you can search Pinliang in the Alibaba. Then you can connect our seller. Dave will send you some catalog and more details, videos, other message about this machine to you if you want to know more. And if you want to, if you need other solid woodworking machine or panel machine, you can also connect us. For this machine, for all the machine we have 12 months warranty. That MJ601. This one is more economic one. You can see here only control the socket, open socket here, and you can control the socket up speed. This can control it fast or slow. And this one is control up speed. This one is control down speed. And if you want to start the machine, start to saw, you need to use both your hands to control the machine so that you will not, some old design is only one control button. Then sometimes you move the wood into the machine, cut the machine, to cut the wood. Then you use one hand to control and one hand to push. Sometimes it will harm your hand. Now we use double button to control the machine start, so that you will not use both any hand to move the motor. So it will keep your worker safe. You use only when you use two hands to press the button, then the machine can start. If you use only one hand to push the button, the machine will not be started. And for this feeding wheel, the front feeding table is 1.5 meters long, and also for the rear feeding table. Do you have any question? No. If you have any question, you can send the question at the live show, then I will answer you. And if you want to know more about this machine or know more about solid wood working machine, you can connect with our Alibaba sellers. Okay, you just search Pinliang in Alibaba, then you can contact to our seller, and our seller will give you some catalog or some video of our company. Okay. And for this height of so that up, you can control by this. If you only saw a little high, a very thin wood, you can control the socket to lower place. If you want to saw a very big wood, you can control the socket to a higher place. This software is this pressure device is only you open the machine if you down. And for this machine, you need to connect the air and the power. If you not connect the air, this press will not start. So where we have a block here, so that if you want 600 long wood,
看不到你。
you can move the block to 600 here. Then you can get a 600 long wood. If you get longer, then you push the block, move the block here. Then you can get only if you want to cut more longer, like 3 meters, we can also customize.
有那个。
那个我回看我真的。Let's check the back of this machine. Welcome to our live show. If you have any question about solid woodworking machine or panel saw or panel machinery, you can ask me in the live show, or you can search our name, Pinliang Machine, in Alibaba. Then you can connect our seller. Our seller will give you some catalog of our company. Okay, this is CNC. Oh, sorry. This is pneumatic cut-off saw. And we also have sliding table saw. This sliding table saw is also CNC. You can control by the press can automatically down, and also the sideboard of this machine can automatically move. You open the PLC, then you can control here. And also for this machine, you can cut 45 to 90 degrees. And for here, we have 2 blocks, and it's very easy to move. It's very easy to move. And you move the place you want, then you lock, so it won't move. When we send the machine, this machine will separate. Like here, we will take it off, and that right table we will take it off to save the packing size and the money. Some bread fee is calculated on the size of the packing. So we take off this and the 2 table back, so that we can keep your money, save your money. And also wood button to control the machine start. Here we can control the feeding speed. Normally we don't move anything on this machine, just to start and stop the machine, because we all settle down the machine carefully. If you move, maybe it will not work. If you want to move any parameter of this machine, you can connect with our seller, and our seller will discuss with our engineer, so that they will tell you if you can move the machine. Welcome to our live show. If you have any question about solid woodworking machine, you can leave a message in our live show, or if you want to know more, you can search our name, Pinliang Machine, in Alibaba. Then you can connect with our seller. Our seller will give you some catalog of our company. And if you need some video, they will send you. This is our multi-root saw machine. For this machine, you can cut the wood, square wood, to many pieces. For this machine, we can cut maximum 200 millimeter width and 80 millimeter height. And if you want other size, if you want cut other size wood, you can connect our seller. We have other models to meet your requirements. This machine is especially for 200 millimeter, within 200 millimeter. And for this machine, you can see here, it's controlled by the press is controlled by air. The feeding device is controlled by air. And if you want to move the feeding wheel up and down, here is the wheel to it's locked now. The maximum pieces of saw that you can put in this machine is 10 pieces, so that you can get the minimum outward width is 20 millimeter. If you want smaller, we can also customize the machine. If you want smaller, we usually use 15 kilowatts motor power. And you can put more saw that in here. And you can get 10 millimeter for the final wood. Normally we use only 11 kilowatts motor power, so that you can cut the wood. But if you want to cut more smaller wood, you need to use 15 kilowatts motor. prevent safety hazard and ensure worker safety. And we also have lubrication. We have lubrication oil contained here, so that if you feel the solder not so smooth, you can press the oil pump to lubricate the solder. This is the motor for feeding. And this is the lifting motor pump. And for this machine, we have two dust outlet ports, and the dust outlet port diameter is 100 millimeters. We also have one motor we also have one model for the short wood, especially. This machine can minimum process 200 millimeters. We have that one for 10 centimeters long. And also this one we can process some regular wood. And if your wood is wet wood, we also can add some device to process. Tell you can send your wood size and your wood type to our seller, then our seller will advise you what the model that meets your requirement. And if our regular model not meet your requirement, maybe our engineer can customize the machine for you. Someone buy our saw who also will buy the saw blade grinder. The saw blade grinder can keep, if your saw blade is not sharp, then you put the saw blade into this machine. Put the saw blade into this machine so that you can use the saw blade again. This machine can save your money in buying saw blade. Also, we have bent saw blade grinder. If you don't like this one, you also have other model for, like the bent saw will go like this. This one is the bend saw will go like up and up, right? The other model can go like that. And also we have a multi-use saw blade grinder. That model can grind saw blade, can grind the knife, the planer also. If you want to know more, you can ask our seller. They will send you some catalog. this folding sliding table saw is our new machine in that show. You can see here we have 4 wheels of the foot. So if you unlock the foot, then you can push the machine to anywhere you want to move. Okay, and this saw is no dust saw. This is the cover of the saw blade, and below the machine we have a fan motor to collect all the sawdust, so that all the environmental of the work will be very clear. And this machine also is quiet. If you only open the saw, you will hear nothing. And only you can hear the noise is the fan motor. If you open the fan motor, it will be very loud. It will be very noisy. But if you only open the saw, the machine is very quiet. So if you work in your home or someplace that require quietness, you can buy this machine. You can buy this machine because it's very quiet. And also for this machine, you can cut 0 to 45 degrees. You can see the table, right? And also, if you want to move the machine to a very far place, you can hold the machine. If you want to see some video of this, contact our seller. They will send you the video how this machine can be folded. This machine can be folded into a very small size that can put into your car, even to very small car, right? Even to this car, you can fold the machine and then you can put into the car. So if you have any question about solid woodworking machine, you can ask me in the live show or leave a message to our Alibaba website. Alibaba search our name, Pinliang Machine, then you can find our seller. Our seller will give you some catalog or some video that the machine you're interested in. We also have panel machine. For panel machine, here we have edge bender machine. Welcome to our live show. Do you have any question about woodworking machine? Or what woodwork do you make? We can give you some advice. Welcome to our live show. Okay, that's all for today's live show. Welcome to subscribe us and keep. We will uh, we will keep live on Tuesday. See you next time.